Assalamualaikum friends. I hope you all guys will be fine. Today's recipe is very interesting, so don't miss any step of this recipe. Let's start the delicious recipe. First of all, add some cooking oil. Now add some basic spices. Now crackle the spices. Add few amount of cardamom. Add onion, which must be cut in slices. Fry it until golden brown. Keep aside it for frying until we need to make a spices. Add ginger, garlic, whole round chili. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red paprika powder. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. Now add some water for making a paste. Now onion is fried golden brown. Now add 700 grams beef without bones. Add masala paste. Fry it at low to medium flame. If you're the first who is watching my video, so subscribe my channel. And always support me. Now clean the mixie jar, then pour it to cooker. If you are enjoying this recipe, so like this video. Here, add few tomatoes. Add some water. Close the lid, then cook it for 10 to 15 minutes at low to medium flame. So here you can see it had cooked. All the water is absorbed. You can also serve it now. But I want to make it more delicious. Here you can see that how the beef is soft. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well here. For making it more delicious, I'm adding ladyfingers here. Mix it well. Add some water here. Cook it for making it soft. Add some green chili for making it spicy. Add mint powder. Also add garam masala. Ready to eat. I hope you will enjoy this recipe.
Al Hafiz.